Matalong kanangani.
Matamalilesa. Breaking pay mula sa mabilisan kwa. Dalele nasa. Dalele nasa.
I'm a izo. Lapu no Loki, no Roy, I think, no understood that. What his name?
Oh, that's Loki.
Roy, no.
Asiko la. Bakipile manu Casper visuals with Supernova.
Yeah.
We're not gonna do them.
Because we already reacted on the song. If you want to see it, you can go to our previous. We'll put the link on the description and we check. Now we're gonna do Loki Intandokazi featuring Tumakahle. One thing engizoyisho now is that shout out to Loki, man. Even though like things didn't work out. Was it Cash Time? No, it's not Cash Time. It's Skanda World. Skanda Republic or what? Yeah. But you kept pushing out, Tiam. Shout out to you, Joe. Let's take a lesson to it.
Ow.
Sona ngingaboni ngolalanthi udaluse ighost kwinkaleni utshela ukuthi angondli ukhala ngamaphutha kanti isandwa sami usuqomela ngako uthando wangilifosi umncenga umuntu akaze kube istori uthando sengone kongakapost kaze usafuna ukuba ifrosti we mama got me moving crazy in the streets so for bad. Didn't have to play me, it was chill, but I'm past it. Now you don't like the way I move, you don't like the way I move.
Well, so this king, why?
Man, gosh.
Someone is sing a king. Not here, things that are Muscat. Fine, Muscat Ukraine, but we don't do Muscat.
Because I'm look how I'm hitting you. Yabona mkenu java mati. Sebetindo tenda.
Yeah, play man.
I've been moving crazy in these streets off a bad. Didn't have to play me, it was chill, but I'm past it. Now I get your baddest girls outside for the pole. So my heart apart, I held myself up, I walk up. Now I do a lot of things you never got to call. So this shit alive and I'ma do it solution. You in the way because you couldn't see it, boss. Andrew Holy Face, you shit in my own ball. Don't never come a day where I ain't popping sounds so fast. I'm in the space even if I never call. This is my design, Nkulunkulu ya totos. This is my design, Nkulunkulu Sunday sauce.
I wanna now I see why UKO let go of these guys. This is the reason why. I'm sorry. This is the reason why. Hey dog, Loki, if you wanted to do this, gosh, you should have gone to Big Zone once. Alright dog, this is not the one. Alright dog, this is It is hard to listen to. Oh man.
That's the dopest line.
Ipoema seleni Usipelele Echubalo usisole ndelo yako Usipelele Echubalo usisole ndelo yako Usipelele Echubalo usisole ndelo yako Usipelele
Okay, akunankinga mina lengoma le, but yazi in I'm starting to be confused. Look, are you doing hip hop or umaskandi? Because you would have wrote actually with maskandi. Because right now this is a hip hop channel, and then you made us listen to the first line in the whole song. Just think this is
And it's a feature. Is this the feature? Hey, dog, shout out to you, Loki, dog. We like your music with
like
respect,
it,
but
yo.
this one,
This one, yeah.
should have gone to Big Zulu, Mshambat Nigga.
To the Maskandi lovers, Nagobonk, it's good. We're not saying this song is extremely work. No, it's not work.
It's not for us.
It's not for us. It's not
It's
hip hop.
not for this channel.
So shout out to man. POC. You can comment if you want.